sit here waiting for the coffee water to heat up, I wanted to show you something I was sent by Waterfly. Let's see. It's a bag. Say there. It's a bag within a bag. Okay, this is exciting. So previously, I've received headlamps to review and to check out. This time, I get a real backpack. Now, stay away from the fire. Put this there. Just this bag that it came in with the Waterfly logo. I don't know if you can see it. It feels like it's good quality. I can definitely use this as well. And then it comes to this. When I thought about what kind of backpack they would send, I thought it would be something cheap, something bad. But this thing it seems like it's really good quality, actually. There is several compartments in here. I will show you in a bit. It has a strap here for your phone, which you can take off. Several clips to make it feel more comfortable while carrying. It even has some compartments down here. It's just a small pocket. Convenient. And it's a bigger compartment here, I think. It goes in everywhere. You can have your computer in here, maybe, if you're one of those guys. Waterfly, Shaolin games. It feels like really good quality. I did not expect that at all. Let's see inside. You can see here there are many compartments in here. This is a really good bag, and I will definitely use this. Maybe not on my hikes. I feel it's kind of maybe it's a bit small for my hikes, but I will definitely use this. It's so many compartments, and it feels really good quality. I must be honest, I did not expect that at all, but it's way more than what I expected. I want you to check out Waterfly's website. I will link that in the description. Definitely. Now this bag, it's also in quite nice color, I must say. I'm not too fond of bright colors, but this one it feels nice. Somehow it feels nice. I was really skeptical, I must say that. when I get contacted and asked to do a review of some product. It has been not too good of a products. It's been okay quality, but this seems, of course I haven't used it, I just opened it up, but this seems really good. It got several compartments in here, it got straps inside, it got straps outside. Good bag from Waterfly. Check out their website, linked in the description and the comments. Thank you, Waterfly.